Hey, okay, so I'm going to try to create a document that you should also create. I'm using Microsoft Word, and so if we do this together and you save the document that you've created and upload it to me, not only will you get credit for this assignment, but you will then have a document that you can simply reuse every single time you need to submit something to me, and you will know that it is in proper MLA formatting. I'm going to instruct you as we go, okay? And it is important to me that you understand the rationale behind this as well. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to double click so that we're in the header box. The header is the place where you put information that will appear on every single page of the document. And so in MLA, when we want to number our pages, the format is to put our last name and page number. So if I go up to Insert, once I'm in this header box, and I go to Page Number, I want it at the top of the page, and I want it all the way over on the right. So I'm going to type my last name in a space, and then I have automatic page numbering. But I'm not done. I have to highlight that, and then I have to choose the correct font and the correct size. Okay, now I double click and now you see it's grayed out. So now I'm in the actual body, the first line, the first possible line there is of my blank document. And so the first bit of information that goes on the first page only is the 4-line heading. This is called the header because it's in the header box. And this is called the heading. And again, it's only on your first page. So you type your name, my name, our class number. So it's always ENGL 1302. And then depending on what section. So I have 5 sections this semester. So I'm just going to choose one. But you need to make sure that you're choosing the one that is the correct one for you. And by the way, I'm hitting enter after each of these lines. So type my name, I hit enter or return, same thing. Okay. So now I'm down at the last line of the heading and I need to type the date. MLA likes to type it the day first. So today is the 17th and then the month and then the year. Okay. Now I need to highlight this again. I want to open the home button. Okay, I need to change it to Times New Roman 12. So everything in the paper is that same size and font. I'm going to open up paragraph. Okay, it's properly at the left alignment. Okay, so there's no indentation. That's correct. But they like to sneak in this spacing after. So I want to take that down to 0. And I want to change the line spacing from multiple to double. And then I want to click this box. Don't add space between paragraphs of the same style. Click OK. And you see it's slightly adjusted. Okay, and again, this is on the first page only. So if you accidentally put it in the header with the page number, it'll appear on every page, and that's an error. Just first page. All right, now after the date, you hit enter one more time. And this is where you write the title of, the paper. Now, I'm going to highlight this. I'm going to hit my home button. The title needs to be centered. And every word in the title starts with a capital letter except for prepositions. I'm going to hit enter again. And you'll see that the cursor is still blinking in the center. I don't want that. So I'm going to hit left align. Now I want you, for your assignment, I want you to write your name and then your section number and the date. Okay. Everything else, your name here, everything else you can do the same. But for this paragraph, just go ahead and type anything you like. You can introduce yourself. You can tell me your favorite dish to eat, or your favorite band or song or hobby, or whatever you want to write about. The only requirement is that it be longer than 2 lines of text. Okay, so when I'm finished typing it, I need to highlight it, and I need to hit the home button again. I need to hit the paragraph button again. This time, we're going to talk about paragraphs. So every body paragraph of your paper has to be indented by 1/2 inch from the left margin. Okay, again, this is correct. I'm going to hit OK. Now when I hit enter here, for subsequent paragraphs, be correctly indented. Okay? This is what it looks like when you have a properly formatted MLA document. So I want you to go ahead and create one of your own using all of your correct information, save it, and upload a copy of it to the assignment, but make sure that you know where it is in your computer so that when it comes time to write something, all you have to do is open this up and then you save it as. Give it a new name. Put it where you want to put it. Sorry for my lack of typing skills. MLA format. Right? All right, something else exists with that name, Doc Spring 22. Okay, so then whenever I need to type a paper, I can just pull this one up and then save it as paper 1, whatever. So then it's always going to be properly formatted. Okie dokie, that's the lesson. Thank you so much for watching.